In this video we are going to see how to create this design using HTML and CSS, not only for the desktop but also for the mobile screen and the tablet screen as well. So the design would be different for mobile screen, for tablet screen and for desktop. For desktop this is fixed, but for mobile and tablet it will be different. Fine, let's get started. I have a font awesome icons. We need this for this video, and I have added the Roboto font, and I have added this external style sheet which we will be styling in this video. Now just to give you an overview, we have a container. We won't be adding this SVG because I don't have, I just deleted it. We'll just look at the boxes. Now I have a container. Inside the container I have heading h3, and inside the heading h3 I have a span features, and coming to the next one we have a row. Inside the row I have 4 columns, and inside the first column I have icon holder, and inside the icon holder I have icon, and then we have h6, and then we have paragraph. Fine. Now let me get into the HTML container, and then we have h3, and inside the h3 we have a text, and the first one will have span tag, and then we have a row, and inside the row we have column, and inside the column we have icon holder, and inside the icon holder we have first icon. The icon may be different, but the concept is, you got it, h6. Then we have text, then we have paragraph, we have lorem ipsum of 15 words. Now just copy the same column thrice because we need 4 columns. So let me just insert all the font awesome icon and the text. So this is going to be the second one. This is going to be the first one, second one, third one, and finally fourth one. If I refresh, this is how it looks. Now container has h3, h3 has span, and inside container we have a row, inside row we have column, inside column we have icon holder, inside icon holder we have I tag, and then inside column we have h6, and then we have paragraph. Cool, nothing is going to change. Now for the container I have a margin top and bottom for 50 pixel, left and right 100 pixel. Cool. Now let whatever is inside container, I want it to be text align center, and I want this row to be as column. So display flex, refresh it. Now just to give you a background, let me give background #edebe, refresh it. Let us make this spelling mistake. So not only for container, I want this for the whole body. Cool. Now what we need, we want to increase the size for the font h3, font size 35 pixel, and let the span color be red, not red exactly, but we will change it in a minute. Cool. I need a little darker one. And then I need margin bottom of 50 pixel for the h3. Let us make this 30 pixel Now what we need is, let's remove the text align, just add this to, fine, not an issue. Now let's give the minimum height for the column, and let's give the background color white, and let's give padding 25 pixel on all four sides. Refresh it, and I need margin right 15 pixel. 300 is too much. Let me make this 200, or let me make this 220, 180. Alright, now let's design the icon holder. So whatever is inside, I want the, let's use the flex now. Display flex, align item, flex start, justify content, center. And I want to be at the side by side, so flex direction. We don't want flight side by side, we want one below the other column. So whatever is inside it, I want the text align to be left. Now let's design the icon holder. Choose the icon holder, background color, let's fix this color, and a padding of 25 pixel, and a font size of 20 pixel. Top, bottom, left, right 20 pixel. I let the color be white, and border radius 50%, just to get the color. So now what we can do is margin top, we don't need margin top, we'll use position relative minus top minus 100 pixel. That looks cool. Select all and give this to the icon holder, and since we have given min height, do we need to reduce the min height? That doesn't seem to work. Fine, we'll leave as it is. Let's take this out, Control O. So properly give the top, let me make this 60. Cool. Now what we can do is, let's select, inside the column we have icon holder H3, we'll use margin top minus 50 pixel. Yeah, that works. Font size 50 pixel. Is too much. Let's add margin bottom 25 pixel. And now we have, let's select this and give it to the H3. Then we have paragraph color gray, refresh it, and cool. Now let's add a margin bottom to the H3 as 50. Fine, almost there. Now what we can do is we will check it for the responsiveness. Let's get into the bootstrap breakpoint. So this is the breakpoint is simply we are going to target particular screen size so that we get different design for different screen size. So the screen size that we are going to target is for tablet and desktop. So this is for tablet and this is for desktop. So in web design there's a concept called mobile first, so we need to design for the mobile first. So let's design for the mobile. Let's fit this on the side, choose the container, and I don't need top bottom please, okay, but left right let's add 50 is too much, 20, yeah, that's okay. On top let's copy this and paste it here. For desktop I want 50, for mobile I need 20. Refresh it. Yeah, that's a problem. We just need to remove this. Cool. And now what we need to do is select the column and give the width 50%. Select the column and give the width 50% and flex direction, sorry, flex wrap. So copy the width part for desktop and give it as 25%. Let's see. So we have given 50%, but still we need to make this slightly small because we have given margin, right, if you remember. Let's see, flex wrap is working. So let's decrease the width. So if we give this much, then only it works. 29. So let's see why is it. Let's try to remove the margin right for now. We'll give this very small and we'll reduce the padding. Now let's increase the width. We need to give margin top 20 pixel. You see, now that's working. Let's copy all and paste it for the mobile view, but for desktop we'll copy this and paste it here. Let's see what other thing we have overridden. We have overridden only padding, margin, and now let's check. Now let's remove the margin bottom. Top, bottom, left, right. Cool. Copy this and give this to the heading, sorry, for the mobile, and let this be for the desktop. Refresh it. So fine, the concept is clear and we got what we need for mobile. Now let's check for the desktop. Refresh it. Since you have given 25%, we need to reduce this to 23, because if you remember we have again given the margin right, and let's move it 22, 20, 18, and 18 works fine for mobile, sorry, for desktop. Now for mobile is also perfect. Now let's check the tablet. In between 768 and 992 it's tablet. So in between 760 and 992, so this looks great. But if you see, let's make this 900, there is some space at the right. So what you can do is, let's try to increase the width for the tablet. Let's select all, and for tablet increase the width, and let's check. Cool, this is for tablet. For mobile, also we can increase the width. If I make it bigger, you can see it is working. For mobile, for tablet, and for desktop.